Hi, my name is Latia, and I would like to do a testimonial for REI Reply. Well, let me see. Where should I start? I don't want to make this too long. Kind of get to the point. You won't regret it. Let's just start there. Pretty much, I already knew that I wanted to be a part of real estate. However, I was working for an agency. I was in law enforcement, and it was pretty difficult to do both, right? But then this happened. Yeah, that happened, and after that, somehow I lost everything, including my job. So I was like, oh no, what am I going to do? I want to be a part of real estate without a job. Now I don't even have proof of funds. How am I going to move forward? And that's when I began to notice that there was wholesaling. I watched a lot of YouTube videos, and a lot of people helped me. I mean, there's so much information on YouTube, and there's so many people helped me with how I can get into wholesaling. But there was one thing that I was like, I don't want to do this part. And it was pretty much about cold calling. I did not want to pick up any phone and talk to thousands of people a day. That was not something I really wanted to invest my time in or even pay anybody else to do, Pretty much I said, where do I go from here? What can I do? And that's when I found REI Reply. REI Reply has been the best thing since sliced bread to me. I've gotten messages like this one. I've got messages like that one. And look at this one. They're just coming in all the time. Like, I literally just send out the message and REI Reply takes care of everything for me. I pretty much am talking to people that want to speak to me, and that's the thing. You want to speak to people that want to speak to you. That's the audience that you want. With cold calling, I felt like, okay, I'm bothering people and, things like that. All I do is I hit one button, and there is a godsend person, a part of the REI team called Susan. Hey, Susan. Susan is a wonderful person. I do have a virtual assistant, and she helps me and my virtual assistant to get things done. The customer service there is amazing. I've never seen anything like it. I've literally texted her in the middle of the night, and she has responded to me. These are live people. You are not going to be talking to emails or chat boxes. I mean, they do have Facebook Messenger, but they are not afraid to get on the phone or even answer your phone calls at any time to help you out. And that is another big thing. If you have any questions, it is a family in REI Reply.